Hello and welcome. We're diving into the world of staffing, a critical aspect of managing a business. When it comes to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, we often face challenges of maintaining a permanent workforce. Regardless of the workload, this can not only be costly, but also a bit frustrating. But guess what? In the world of virtual businesses, things are different, and they offer us something precious: flexibility. Let's explore a couple of fantastic staffing options. First, virtual assistants. You can have them project-based. You can bring in virtual assistants for specific projects or tasks. The beauty of this is that you only pay solely for the work that's completed. No ongoing costs eating away at your budget. Or you can have them on a regular basis. If you got those day-to-day tasks that need handling, you can hire a virtual assistant on a recurring basis, or weekly, monthly, whatever suits your needs. I personally got a virtual assistant to tackle those never-ending follow-up emails. It freed me from email overload and let me focus on what really matters, and that's growing my business. The trick: clear instructions, like preferred email formatting. It's all about communication. But here's the scoop. Finding the right virtual assistant might take a bit of trial and error. Some need a little training to sync up with your business's unique needs. But hey, their willingness to learn can be pure gold. Remember, investing in a virtual assistant is like playing a strategic card game. You offload the boring stuff and put your energy into growing your business, which should always be at the top of your list. Next is contract work. Ever run into a project that needed skills you don't quite have? Contract work is the superhero solution. You can hire folks with the exact expertise you need, whether it's graphic design or web development. Now here's the fun part. Contract work comes in all shapes and sizes. You can find economical options or go for the all-in-one premium service. Check out platforms like Fiverr. They have a bunch of freelancers with prices that fit your needs. Remember, you often get what you pay for. Quality and cost tend to play together, so you must read those reviews. For critical tasks, it might be worth investing in some top-tier talent. Want a bundle deal? Some platforms offer everything from logo design to web development and even help you register your business. These all-in-one solutions can be costly up front, but will save you a lot of money in the end. The big idea here is that you don't have to do it all alone. You should focus on growing your business, and outsourcing tasks to specialists or freelancers can be a game changer. By the way, I'll provide a list of websites in the reference materials where you can find skilled professionals for specific tasks or explore all-in-one solutions. Plus, you'll get a sample list of tasks that are perfect for outsourcing, making your business run like a well-oiled machine.